Hiccups are annoying, random, and sometimes hilarious, but what actually causes them? A hiccup happens when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly contracts. This makes you suck in air quickly, and your vocal cords snap shut, making that classic hic sound. It can be triggered by eating too fast, spicy food, laughing hard, or even stress. Most go away on their own, but holding your breath or drinking water slowly can help stop them. So hiccups are just your body glitching for a bit. Next up, what if gravity suddenly disappeared? Are we floating or falling apart?